Wacha niseme asante kwa rafiki zetu, ndugu zetu wa Kenya. Najua ndugu zangu wa Kenya wako hapa. Hata nchi ya Kenya, wacha tuseme shukrani kwa Mungu. Bila amenipea muda huyu wala miaka hii yote tumemaliza nchi hii na tumepokelewa vizuri. Ndugu zangu, si ni ukweli?
To literally do the opposite, but I know where you are. You are happier than anyone could make you. I don't know if I should say I thank God. But I'm very happy that you are happy there. And guys, let me tell you about my mom. My mom is more than just my mother. My mom is my blessing. A kind soul, full of joy, forgiveness, and love that have no limits. When I look at her, I see God's grace, the way she comforts, the way she gives, the way she forgives without hesitation. My mom taught me how to be strong, not just in good times, but especially while life felt too heavy. She always told me that whatever happens, God is still God, and He's still in control. She showed me how to keep faith in the storm, how to lift others even when I am tired myself. People always say that I am strong, asking how I can be or how I do that. But let me tell you that it's just my mom's strength. And now her strength will live in me forever. This pain is deep. Mommy, I love you with all my heart. I didn't want to say goodbye, you're still gone. It hurts that you had to go. I wish you had stayed just a little longer. But I believe your soul is at peace, wrapped in God's arms, finally resting after giving us everything.